Hello, and welcome to the course Ultimate Godot Game Developer Projects. My name is David W. Parker. I've been programming professionally for 16 years. I have a passion for education, graphics development, and I'll be your instructor. This course is a multi-project course, meaning we're going to work through 5 different Godot projects together in order to bring you up to speed with the basics and understanding of Godot. This course guides students in order to help them create and acquire practical knowledge for creating games with Godot. Due to the fact I'll be creating 5 projects through the course, by the end, the students will use many of Godot's features and be able to create exciting games for themselves. From setting up Godot for the first time on your computer, to publishing your own games on a wide range of platforms, this course runs you through those steps that you need in a concise and thorough way. After the first lesson, you should be able to see how straightforward and accessible game development can be with a tool such as Godot. Even if you had no prior experience with game creation, you will feel a great sense of accomplishment seeing your own creation playing it on your computer or smartphone, with the power to implement new gameplay elements with just a few lines of code. So what is Godot? Godot is a 2D and 3D cross-platform compatible game engine released as open source software under the MIT license. So what's a game engine? A game engine is a collection of tools and technologies designed to ease the process of game making by removing the need to reinvent the wheel for each new game project. It provides a framework of commonly needed functionality that often needs a significant investment in time to develop. So what use is a game engine? Well, a game engine will provide you with many features such as rendering in 2D and 3D, physics, platform support such as mobile or PC, and common development environments. Additional tools also include things like networking, imaging, working with sounds, working with animation, debugging, level creation, and more. So how can a game engine help developers? Due to the fact that Godot is open source and is unencumbered by commercial licensing, you have complete control over how and where your game is distributed. Its open source nature provides a level of transparency that doesn't exist with commercial game engines, and it means that you, as a developer, can contribute to Godot the project itself if you want it. This course is for anyone who wants to learn how to make games using a modern game engine. New users and experienced developers alike will find it a helpful resource.